Hello, hello. It's so nice to see you. It's so nice to see you for another video. So today we're going to learn more about things that are. Things that are. Today we're going to be talking about things that are yellow. Things that are yellow. Okay? So listen, watch, see, look, and understand. Understand. Listen, watch, and understand. Okay? So we have 5 things. 5 things that are yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Number 1. Number 1 is a vehicle. It's a vehicle. So that means that you drive. You drive. Okay? So it's a vehicle, you drive, and in this vehicle, there are kids. There are kids. There are children. The children, they go to school. They go to school so that they can learn. So that they can learn. Okay? This thing, it's a vehicle. It picks up children. It takes them to school, and it's yellow. Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm talking about? You probably do. Number 1 is a school bus. It's a school bus. You drive, it picks up children. The children go to school. The children go to school and they learn. Okay? Good job. Number 1 is a school bus. Okay, so number 2. Number 2. Number 2 is a fruit. It's a fruit. It's something that you eat. But this fruit, you don't bite it. You don't bite it. If you bite it, ooh, sour. It's sour. Okay? So it's round, it's yellow, and if you bite it, it's sour. Do you know what I'm talking about? Maybe you do. This is a lemon. A lemon. Do you like drinking lemonade? Lemon. Number 2. It's a fruit, but you don't bite it. You don't bite a lemon, but you can use it different ways. Okay? Number 2, lemon. It's yellow. Good job. Number 3. So, number 3, it's in the sky. It's in the sky. Number 3 is in the sky, and it makes you feel warm. Warm, warm. So it's in the sky, it makes you feel warm. And it's circular. It's a circle, kind of like the lemon. It's a circle. Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you understand? Are you listening? Well, look. Look, I'm going to draw it. Number 3. It's the sun. It's the sun. Good job. It's not a lemon. It's the sun. Okay. Number 4. Number 4, you're doing good. So number 4 is another fruit. It's another fruit, so you eat it. This was a fruit. Number 4 is a fruit. Okay? So this one you can eat. This one you can eat. And when you eat it, you have to peel it. You have to peel it. So you have the fruit, you peel it, and then you eat it. Do you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. This is a banana. Banana. It's yellow. You peel it, and then you eat it. Very good. Delicious. Okay, one more. Number 5. So this, it's a flower. Do you remember what a flower is? A flower is? Smells good. Flowers. If you watched the last video, you remember girls love flowers. But this is not a rose. This is not a rose. This is a different flower. It looks like it's similar to this. It's similar to the sun, and it's a flower. Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you understand? Number 5, it's a sunflower. It's a sunflower. It looks like the sun, but it's a flower. It's a flower. So it's sunflower. Do you understand? You understand. So good job. Those are the 5 things. Let's recap. Number 1, we had a school bus. A school bus. It picks up children and it takes them to school. You drive a school bus. Number 2, we had a lemon. It's sour, but it can be used for lemonade. You can squeeze a lemon on your food and it's very good, very delicious. Gives it more flavor. Okay, number 3, we had the sun. The sun. It's in the sky. It gives us warmth. We need the sun. I love the sun. Okay. Number 4, we had a banana. It's a fruit. You peel it and then you eat it. Delicious. And finally, number 5, we had a sunflower. It looks like the sun, but it's a flower. Amazing. Okay, so these are our 5 things that are yellow. Good job for making it to the end of this video. Keep listening, keep watching, and you'll keep understanding. Right? Keep listening, keep watching, and you'll understand. Your English, it will get better and better, and it will improve. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.